Hello folks, this is Vivs from slidenerd. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about class path, how to set it, why you need it, and so on. But first, I must warn you, you do not need the class path in any case. But if you're just curious, if you saw the net, you probably wondered what a class path was, what is a path, and you're confused maybe between class path and path. And I'm gonna clear everything. So here on my desktop, I have this file test.java. If you open it, nothing but a println statement. That's all it has. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this computer D drive. I'm gonna paste it over here. And now I'm gonna make some folders. Say new folder A. Go inside A. Make another folder. Say B. Okay, now we have two folders A and B. And I'm gonna take this test.java file, cut it, go inside A, go inside B, paste it over here. Fine. So what I'm gonna do is gonna go to the command prompt, cmd, run as administrator, go to D drive from here, and I'm gonna try and run this java c a b test.java. So it has compiled, fine, there's no problem with that. So I'm gonna try and run it, java a b test. So here's the thing, right now the program is not able to find your class file test.class. This is what it needs, and it says, well, no class definition found or whatever. You can say java c a b test error, could not load main class a.b. If you type whatever over here, it's still not gonna find the class. So what we are gonna do is, there are two ways around this. One is that you go inside A, then you go inside B, and then you say java test, it runs. The other way is you simply go outside, you set the class path by saying java-cp, you give the directories, that is A, B, and you say test, and it runs. This is exactly what a class path does. When you have several folders like this, you want to run stuff from outside without going inside, that's when you need a class path. Now this is one of the ways to set a class path, but the problem with this is, every time you close the command prompt and you come back, it's not going to remember your command, that is the class path location. Now again, if you go to D drive, you say java space test, of course it's not going to be found here, A, B, test, it's not going to remember that. Now it's gonna remember. So every time you come and run, you'll have to say this java-cp and blah blah blah. You can avoid this by setting something called an environment variable. That means once you tell the system where the class files can be found, and every time the system automatically goes there. Now let's see how that works. So I'm gonna close the command prompt, I'm gonna close the desktop thing, computer, properties, advanced system settings, environment variables, new user defined variable, call it class path. Okay, now here I'm gonna exactly tell the location where the class file was. If you see, it was A, B, there the class file is, which is in DAB. So this is exactly going to be the class path in my case. Go over here, set the class path as DAB, put a semicolon, put OK, click OK, OK. And now if you go to command prompt, cmd, run as administrator, yes, go to D drive. Now if you simply say java test, see, that works. You didn't even go inside the directory, you were outside A, B, test.java is inside the file, but you simply said java test, it was able to go to the class path which was inside A, B by finding that environment variable. And this is how class path works. You do not need to set class path, as I said again, it's an option you have. And if you followed what was stuff, path is a necessary variable. Path is needed to tell exactly where your compiler stuff resides, but class path isn't. So I hope you guys got something out of this video. I hope you like this video and you subscribe to my channel. See you guys later. Keep watching. Have a nice day.